I'm Chris Small. I'm Secretary and Director of Swansea Community Energy and Enterprise Scheme. The scheme was set up in 2015 and we installed solar panels on 10 sites, so 9 schools and a care home in 2016. And that was funded by a community share offer, so 175 members of the community invested over £450,000 in our project. We specifically advertised our share offer to members of the community. It's completely separate from the council, so it's run by a group of local volunteers. The aim is to engage as many people as possible in renewable energy issues, but also to ensure that any profits that we generate from the scheme get circulated in the local area and don't go out of the local area. So we ran some consultation events, 5 consultation events in developing the scheme, and it was quite interesting to find that a lot of people within the 2 wards that we were basically focusing the scheme were not that interested in actually investing in the scheme and getting a return on that investment. What they were interested in is having a say in how that organisation is run and also how the profits and benefits get circulated locally. So shifting from a situation where a local authority decides on how money is spent in that area to one where local people decide how money is spent in their own local areas. They have more ownership and engagement in those kind of decisions.
Came along today to see the SCEES project in action, which has been really exciting to actually see the solar panels on the roof and actually see it working and understand what the community benefits are going to be going forward over the 20 years that the project's running for, and what the future might be going forward.
With the feed-in tariff disappearing next year, the future of renewable distributed energy is looking a little bit hazy. But I think where it's going to lie is in producing energy locally that is consumed locally, that we can match local generation with local demand, taking the strain off the distribution system, not having all of our renewable energy generated in the southern North Sea. To develop those plans, I think it's going to need some proper co-production.
It's quite clear that projects aren't going to be delivered in isolation, so a local authority is going to find it quite difficult to deliver projects on their own, as are community energy groups, as are developers. Only by working together will those projects come to fruition, will we meet our 2030 targets.